So hi guys, long time no vlog, and it's already April 4 na, 5:40 p.m. So, as you can see, tong January pa ako nakapag-video, and yan, ayun yung previous na uploaded ko, January. And uptagal ko din siya bago i-upload. Sorry guys, parang medyo na-busy. Ngayon, sem break na namin. I'll try to make videos ulit during the sem break. And we'll try to review our past courses. Yan. So, yan. Pero ayun, I'll try to study kinetics and separation processes again bago ako mag-review for Core. Yes. Do I look haggard, guys? I'm sorry for my face. Yes. So, samahan niyo ako. Guys, ngayon ay Sunday na and it's already 12:17 ng hapon, tanghali. So as you can see, nakaganire ako. Tada! I got my nails done. Hindi masyadong halata. Demure lang, demure. Nude lang, pink. Kaso lang, nadali siya. Diba? Yeah, hindi ata. Yan, but it's fine. It's cute. So, today, ang ating agenda ay date with myself. I'll try to, papagupit ako. Then, try to study at a cafe. I'm excited. Sana matuloy. Then, after that, magsisimba tayo. Guys, para akong sinabunutan. Yeah, and quick update. Basa pa rin siya. Yeah, ang hirap gumalaw tuloy. Hindi ako makaalis. Pumapangit na siya. Tuloy siya. Sayang. Hope it still looks good tomorrow. Babak-bak. Bye. Guys, so tadang! Bagong gupit na ako, bagay ba? Sana bagay naman. Yes. Then tadang! Ayun. Ano ba? Si mami niya nag-nail polish. Kasi yung kanina, parang inabot na ng 2 hours, hindi pa rin siya tuyo. Yun, na-stress na ako doon. Kasi wala din ako magawa kasi parang masisira siya every time nagagalaw ka. Yun, sobrang nasira na siya. Yun, tinanggal ko na lang. Then yun, pumili na lang kami ng nail polish. Yes! Yeah. Parang ang loud niya, no? Itong kulay na napili since naka-color green ako na dress tomorrow. Yeah, recognition ng aking kapatid bukas. Paksu lang. Paksu. Yun. Tapos, ang aking agenda kanina, meron akong hindi na-check sa aking checklist. Hindi ako nakapunta sa cafe dahil ang dami ko na nagastos. Tapos wala na ding time. Then meron naman nga pala kaming coffee jelly. Ito na lang muna, magtitipid muna tayo today. And let's try to study. Yeah. Yan lang. Yan ang aking chika. Bagay-bagay. Yan eh.
The fire burned out, the warmth has gone away.
Guys, it's April 6, 12:40 na, and I'm getting ready for my brother's graduation. Yeah. Sorry sa mga kalat. And ayun ang ating agenda for today. Yeah. Not graduation pa, recognition, since grade 10 pa lang ang aking kapatid. And then, yun lang. We'll try to eat after that. Yeah, 1:30 pa naman. Malapit lang ang school niya dito. Sorry for my face. Yeah. Yun lang naman. Tapos, not sure, pero mag-student assistant ata ako starting tomorrow, tapos hanggang 11 lang ata. I-clarify ko later, i-chat ko. Yeah. See you later. Cha-cha! Is it good? Bye, guys. Dito pa yung phone ko. Today is Tuesday. It's April 7, 8:41 a.m. na. And I'm getting ready since I'm going to school. Yes. English yarn. Yeah. Pupunta ka sa South and we'll see if magiging student assistant ako ngayong bakasyon sa department. Okay. Yan lang ang aking update for today. Yun. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kagabi. Mga 10 na rin siguro kami nakauwi. Or 9. Yes. Bye, guys. It's April 8, 6:46. And then, galing ako sa duty. Mga 9 na ata ako nakapasok. Mga 8:50, ganon. And then, yeah. Until 5 ako, parang nagkaka-fraggered. But kay Bumbum naman. And then, dumaan ako sa Walter. With what I got. It's from paper bag. But it's from Japan Homes. Thanks, Pao, for recommending it. Yeah, it's good. Flashcard. Para nahirap kasi yung index card na isa-isa hiwa-hiwalay. Tapos papunch siya rin mo pa ganun pala lalagyan ng hook. Ito okay na, 68 pesos. And it already has 50 sheets, so it's good. That's it. So right now I'll try to put formulas that I somehow remember in Liching Yeah, in separation process and kinetics. Let's try. Then try din natin ang e-echo. Hi guys, it's April 9, Thursday, 9:20 a.m. na. And wala kaming pasok since holiday. Hindi pwede ang student assistant ngayon. And that's why we're going to a cafe. Let's try to study. Yeah. Enjoy studying. Yeah. Hindi rin pala ako nakapag-aaral kagabi dahil sobrang pagod ko na. Nag-bedret lang ako tapos kumain. Now we go. That's it. See you later. Good morning. Sorry for the hair. Halatang parang kagigising lang. It's already 11:04 in the morning and it's April 16, Thursday. So, it is my last day. Yeah, last day ng aming sem break because tomorrow may pasok na. Yeah. And then, kinabukasan pa nun, Saturday, meron na kaming diagnostic exam. Parang sobrang konti pa lang ng aking na-review, but it's fine. Yeah, diagnostic exam lang naman siya. Parang iti-test ko ano yung naalala namin. Ayos lang. At least nag-enjoy tayo ngayon sa sem break and gawa tayo ng pera. I mean, yeah. Parang last week kasi, yan, nag-SA duty tayo. Yan. Meron naman tayong naipon kahit paano for thesis. And yun. Bala ko today ay mag-aaral tayo. Yeah. Boys, see you later.